Hi there, my name's Justin Pritchard, and in this video I want to show you a few car accessories that I think you'll really like. They come from a camera accessory company that I really like, and the star of the show is a smartphone mount for your car's dashboard that can actually help you take better photos. This is a video that ties together three things I like and that I want to share with you. Photography, cars, and accessories. And so in a moment, we're going to look at what happens when a company famous for designing camera accessories takes a go at designing a smartphone mount for the dashboard of your car. Little background first, every week I work with camera guy James to make videos about cars and driving. Usually he's using the big Sony or a GoPro, while I'm on one of two Olympus OMD bodies or my trusty old Nikon. All of my cameras have these little red thingies on them, and that's so that I can easily attach accessories to them that come from a company called Peak Design. Different straps and leashes and clips and plates mean that my cameras are always at hand, while leaving me use of my hands, and I can even wear my cameras on my backpack straps or wear them like a glove. I spend my own money on Peak Design camera accessories because I love how they make it easy to keep my camera handy, so I almost always get the shot. Recently, I had the opportunity to try out some pre-production prototypes of some completely new accessories that Peak Design have been working on for a very popular type of camera, the smartphone. The star of the show is the Peak Design car mount, co-starring the Peak Design smartphone case. To me, both give the same first impression I expect of Peak Design gear: discreet looking, very high quality feel, and specifically heavier and more solid than you probably think for the size, nicely finished and beautifully presented within its packaging. And if you're the sort of driver who appreciates a premium product and you're looking for a way to secure your smartphone at the wheel with a mount that doesn't take away from the look of your car's interior and maybe even adds to it, then I think you'll like the way this is set up. This is the iPhone 11 Pro, and it's largely held as about the best smartphone camera you can get. It slips into the case, there's grippy fabric, and it feels tough and nicely finished, but the big news is the little square. It's smoothly molded into the case for snag-free pocket insertion, and in use, the little square is how you hook it up to different things, just like the red thingies on my camera from earlier. We'll attach the car mount as the first example. In this CTS, it's sort of an upscale interior, so you want a mount that matches the scenery. Powerful adhesive makes for a smaller base that you should find a spot for pretty easily. The solid friction ball action allows you to position the mounting plate at just the right angle easily.
Yeah, see how strong that magnet is. So it really gives it a good, it's on there. Be careful, Dave.
I don't think that's coming off. Oh, yeah.
Now hold for like 30 seconds or something, eh?
Yeah.
Oh wow. It really grabs it out of your hand, like you know that's on there good. Good bit of a tug to get that off. It really doesn't want to let it go. I mean, it's not difficult to remove, but it definitely lets you know that it's on there.
You don't have to like worry about trying to locate it. You know what I mean? Like it finds where it needs to go. You know what I'm trying to say? Like there's no fiddling around. You just like throw it up and it just clicks into place.
See, I'll put it on here a bit wrong, and it sort of just walked its way in.
Ultimately, it's pretty discreet looking when empty, though nicely finished and nice to look at if you like. You'll hear back from me on the matter if the adhesive fails at 35 below, but I can tell you that every step of the connection between the phone and the dashboard feels very solid. But here's the part I really like, and that I think you'll really like too if you're someone who loves cars and driving and filming and photography like me: the mobile tripod. It's the typical Peak Design experience. The packaging is fantastic, it's like opening a little treat. The device is clean and sharp looking, smooth, very heavy, and though it's little, it feels very solid. With this, I can move my phone from my dashboard onto a mobile tripod that fits in my pocket, making it easier to get time-lapse photos, videos, or to record footage for a vlog. If you're starting to get into photography or visual storytelling a little, regardless of what you're shooting, you'll quickly learn there are a lot of new shots possible when you're able to put your phone on a tripod, and switching from car mode to tripod mode does not get any easier than this, or easier to travel with either.
Oh, look at that. Huh. You practically just grabbed it out of your hand, it looked like.
No kidding. Flip it around. See the man behind the camera.
The man behind the camera.
Probably. You just unsnap it and re-snap it.
Oh, look at that. That was easy. Folks, I have never tried one of these before. This is not my phone. And so you're actually watching us kind of discover how this works for the first time. And like that was just super, super easy. Let's see if you can show us how much grip that magnet has on there. Like you've got to give it a good tug, right? And it kind of...
Yeah.
It seems like it wants to, like it's grabbing it from half an inch away there.
Yeah, at
so
least.
That's on there pretty good. That's a good looking phone case.
Oh, it even comes with a little pouch.
Yeah, all their stuff comes with a little pouch.
No kidding.
I'd probably just put my phone on that to display it on the desk. And yeah, let's fold it up there. So can you get that in and under your pocket with the tripod on without the tripod coming off? Like, what's that like going into?
Yeah, but it doesn't feel like it's about to come off.
Like the style of it, I think looks good with the phone, the materials and the way that it lines up with the bezel around the screen. Like it's very clean, it looks very high quality. That's what you expect from Peak Design. You are going to be paying top dollar for this compared to other phone cases, but it really does have a nice finished look to it.
I can attach the universal adapter to just about any phone, and other accessories like the Bike Mount Pro and Wall Mount let you clip and clip and clip your phone into position, going from wall mounted to car mounted to handlebar mounted literally in a snap.
So, some lovely stuff for folks who want a great looking smartphone dash mount solution for the car that also lets you use your smartphone's powerful camera more creatively in more situations. I'm Justin Pritchard.